Oops. But guys, welcome back to the channel. I just feel bad. Something that loud and obnoxious this early in the morning. I probably shouldn't actually be letting it idle too, but I guess it comes with the ownership of the car. Yeah, we're pulling this around. We're gonna get the little spots that have, you know, got rain and stuff on them. We're gonna detail them real quick, and then we'll be heading out to Cars and Coffee shortly. This is legitimately my first actual like car meet, for that matter, first car meet with this vehicle. So yeah, we'll be taking out the Hellcat down there, so it should be exciting. I mean, overall it's still pretty clean from the other day. I used a ceramic detailer on it. However, we're just gonna run over it one more time again, get all the, you know, dust and dirt off, pollen that's landed. That shouldn't take too long now that we've actually did it once. This was actually my biggest concern. When it rains, the water runs down this crack down here, and then it sits along this bumper here in the trunk, so I'm gonna take care of that first. Okay, so we got the car all shined up, Jack's Wax ceramic coat, another coat on top. It was just quickly. I probably could have done a better job. Like, all these bugs like this Jack's Wax. We're running a little bit late. Ideally, I would have washed it first, but it looks awesome. Cars all shined up look just a million times better. This thing looks awesome. Is this like hood popping time or like not? Because I like.
I mean, it's stock. I don't know. See what these dudes got. Nothing, probably.
I'll just leave it off. I could have parked next to my buddy. That'd be great.
Actually, this one last. HRE?
No, I know I love that color. It is bagged. Or just lowered, but I love that color. So, you finding the paint code and like painting something this or what? Yeah, and look, they spoke balanced them. They put all the weights behind those two spokes.
That's actually backwoods Camaro.
Say backwoods Camaro?
I said the sub in the back with the emblem Camaro.
Oh yeah. It's like
that would be the lifted truck thing.
Just about, yeah. Ooh, look at this Mustang actually. Oh yeah, no, it's wrapped. Green, bronze wheels.
Oh yeah, you should have done it.
I know. Tires I got. Maserati still on my list, just because.
Yeah, the gold. Yeah.
Arguably one of the best moments to any Cars and Coffee. Everybody lined up here at the exit to see everything take off and get some rolling shots.
Damn, solid execution on the paddle shift. Solid execution. Woo!
I had like literally turned the corner and he just hit it and just no traction at all.
None.
Just gone.
I'm gonna slow down. No, more because this Ferrari's got stickier tires and I could hear the rock slapping my windshield. No, that Ferrari's got some super sticky tires and I can just hear rock, rock, rock. So I don't even want to know. I gotta get this thing clear, broad. We gotta call Jacob.
Oh, it's Christmas time around here, guys. We got red, 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 and green.
Full disclosure, there's no chance I keep up with these fools on the highway. They're gonna be going like $150 and I really don't want to deal with that. So we're just gonna drive home. I mean, we'll keep up with them for just a minute, but after that, not so much. Alright guys, obviously we're back home now. It's getting really hot real quick. But we're back home now and I can tell you that, you know, as that being my first car event compared to like all the truck events I've been to, I could say that at truck meets, it seems that everybody's got something to prove. And, you know, like I said, I went to one meet last year and some guy in a Ford, nothing against Ford here, but some guy in a Ford, I'm just making a statement. It's an F-250 or something. It just had some really wide wheels. Might have been reverse leveled. I don't know. He just thought he was walking around like he's got, you know, he just had something to prove, talking like, man, ain't nobody got nothing on me here. And I'm like, dude, it's like a truck meet and there's a bunch of other guys. You know, it just seems like they just have something to prove. However, at car meets, I just noticed that, you know, everyone's there to enjoy the cars. No matter how much you've got done to them, whether they're stock, whether they're not, whether, you know, whatever. Everyone's just there to enjoy them. And, you know, you can roll, like you saw, I could roll with Porsches and Ferraris, no different than I could roll with a Mustang and a GTR and just that. Like everybody is there to like embrace the vehicles, which is just completely different. And I can tell you that it was really fun. Jack Spec ceramic detailer, awesome. The paint, honestly, it just shines. It looks awesome in the sun. And at the meet, it looked spectacular too. But I had a lot of fun. Looking to do a lot more car meets and stuff this summer. Obviously, a lot of truck meets too. Once the truck gets done, we're gonna do a lot of truck meets, truck shows like that as well. So I don't know how much footage or not I got today, but yeah, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please shoot a thumbs up. Coilovers for the truck should be here Monday, I think. They should be here. They should be here. So I'm gonna be disassembling those, finding a powder coater to powder coat them ASAP, and I can get them back together and get that lift on. I don't know if I'll be able to do it before G Beach or not. We're getting close, guys. The days are ticking down. It's gonna be awesome. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't been here before, please get down there and click subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, shoot a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.